Welcome to Joe Sampson Park, located at 650 West Randall Avenue here in Rialto. As you arrive, you'll notice how accessible the park is, with multiple points of entry from the surrounding neighborhoods and a convenient on-site parking lot for visitors. Whether you're walking in from nearby homes or driving in, the park is easy to access and centrally located within the community. The park is named after Joe Sampson Jr., who began working for the city of Rialto in 1975 as a Deputy City Clerk and was soon elected City Clerk, a role he held for about 20 years. Later, he continued his service after winning a seat on the Rialto City Council. The park was officially named Joe Sampson Park as a tribute to his service. The park's grand opening took place on February 23, 2019, a decade after his passing, to honor his legacy. As we begin our walkthrough, the first feature you'll see is one of the park's smaller picnic shelters. This shelter includes 3 picnic tables and a barbecue pit, making it perfect for family gatherings, birthday parties, or a casual weekend cookout. Just beyond the shelter, you'll come to one of the park's playground areas, designated for a specific age group. This space allows children to play safely on equipment tailored to their developmental needs, with slides, climbing features, and interactive elements that keep them engaged. Continuing forward, you'll see the 2 large picnic shelters. Each of these larger structures features 8 picnic tables and its own barbecue pit, offering plenty of shaded space. Nearby, you'll find the second playground area, thoughtfully separated and designed for a different age group. This layout creates a safe and enjoyable environment for younger children and older kids to play comfortably within their own designated spaces. As we continue along the path, you'll reach the second small picnic shelter. Like the first, it includes 3 picnic tables and a barbecue pit, providing another intimate space for gatherings and small group events. Next, you'll find the park's restroom facilities, conveniently located and easily accessible. They offer added comfort for families, event hosts, and anyone planning to spend extended time enjoying the park. Adjacent to this area is the first set of outdoor workout equipment. As we continue, you'll notice the first set of uncovered picnic tables and barbecue grills. These open-air picnic areas provide additional space for families and friends to gather, cook, and enjoy time together outside of the shaded shelters. They offer flexibility for day-to-day park visitors who just want to enjoy a meal in a more casual setting. Nearby, the second set of outdoor workout equipment provides additional space for fitness training, making it easier for visitors to exercise comfortably without overcrowding. Continuing forward, you'll come across the first set of outdoor basketball courts. These courts are a popular gathering spot for pickup games or friendly competition throughout the week. The quarter-mile walking trail loops around the park. It connects the park's amenities and offers an easy way to get into a jog, a power walk, or a relaxed evening stroll while enjoying the surrounding greenery. Alongside the walking trail, you'll notice the open turf areas that provide flexible space for recreation or simply spreading out a blanket and relaxing. These open green spaces allow the park to accommodate a wide range of activities. This fitness station allows visitors to incorporate strength training and bodyweight exercises into their routine, offering a convenient way to stay active in the open-air setting. Continuing on, you'll reach the second set of outdoor basketball courts, expanding opportunities for recreation and helping accommodate multiple games at once. As we move along, you'll find another set of uncovered picnic tables and barbecue grills. This area expands the park's capacity for gatherings and makes it easier for multiple groups to comfortably share the space during busy weekends and community events. Finally, at the end of your walk, you'll come across the last set of outdoor workout equipment. This additional fitness area reinforces the park's commitment to health and wellness, offering even more opportunities for strength training and bodyweight exercises in an accessible, open-air environment. Like many well-loved community spaces, Joe Sampson Park is a hot spot in our city and experiences the challenge that come with regular use. From ongoing maintenance to ensuring cleanliness and safety, continued community care and city support help keep the park welcoming and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're here to celebrate under the picnic shelters, explore the park grounds, walk the trail, play basketball, work out outdoors, or simply relax on the grass, Joe Sampson Park remains a central hub for recreation, connection, and community pride here in Rialto.